When I was deep in depression noong 2017, may ganun ako insecurity. Pero nung I gained clarity again after going dun sa isang holistic center sa New Life, wala nang ganung insecurity. Hanggang early January 2018.
Pero hindi ka nagkaroon ng apprehension na baka may babalikan kaya gusto pa kaya nila?
When I was deep in depression noong 2017, may ganun ako insecurity. Pero nung I gained clarity again after going dun sa isang holistic center sa New Life, wala nang ganung insecurity. I just want to reconnect with people again. Mas yun ang nasa utak ko. I miss people, I miss my friends, my colleagues.
Nakasecured ka naman na you have talent talaga.
Faith din.
Kaya ano yung naging drive para bumalik? Yung after maramdaman ko yung insecurities?
Sa tubo ko kasi talaga yung performing eh. May kulang talaga pagka hindi ko siya nagagawa ng matagal. So, I guess ang pinaka natuto ko doon, balance lang ng pahinga and being a performer.
So ngayon yun yung minimake sure mo, may balance ka dapat.
Yes, still learning.
Pagpagod ka, kaya humihingi ka ng rest day.
Yes. Buti na lang. Sila Ate P naman, tinatanong na ako, Tope, may pumapasok na inquiry, kaya ba? Sabihin ko, kung hindi po kaya, Ate P, sa ibang reschedule na naman.
Ganun ka, honest.
So, parang kasi isip ng mga tao, pumipiyate ka. Pero ano bang, what do you want them to know about mental health? Isip na pag-artista, perfect yung life, pumipiyate, masayahin.
It's a combination of, medyo weird eh, pero understanding your boundaries, but at the same time, knowing that you can be limitless. Diba? Meaning, yung mga labels like komedyante lang si Pepe, nasa sa'yo yun kung magpapakahon ka eh. Tapos yung, dati kasi kaya rin ako nalubog sa depression kasi nanay yung pagiging people pleaser. Laging sumasabay sa trip. Ganito, na kahit na hindi mo na kaya. So being true to yourself lang. Na tinatanggal mo yung limits because of the standards of society. Nasagot ko may tanong.
So how did you come to terms with that? Kasi it's very hard to break out of that people pleaser.
Nagkataon when I took the leap of being honest sa social media. Nung bumalik ako sa show business in 2018, sinabi ko lahat sa isang post sa social media. It turns out, maganda yung reception ng tao at maraming nakarelate. So it's very encouraging for me na I can be honest completely about myself. It's a power, I realized.
Ano po yung greatest lesson sa politics or your journey in family?
Na every day we learn.